Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I'm Muhammad Jahid Hassan. I'm an English language teacher. Today I'm going to talk about a word, and the word is aim. So the spelling of this word is AIM, aim. So it's a verb. Verb forms of this word are aims, aimed, aiming. So here are some sentences using this word. She's aiming at a scholarship this year. His aim was very good. What is your aim in life? Aim at the yellow circle. These advertisements are especially aimed at young people. She went to London with the aim of finding a job. So right now I'm going to drill two sentences from here. She's aiming at a scholarship this year. 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 সেই বছর বৃত্তি পাওয়ার জন্য চেষ্টা করছে বা স্কলারশিপ পাওয়ার জন্য চেষ্টা করছে। His aim was very good. 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 তার উদ্দেশ্য খুবই ভালো ছিল। থ্যাংক ইউ ভেরি মাচ।